guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the day you've all been waiting for. I'm making some fishbowl slime. Right now I'm going to show you what I have on my table and what each individual ingredient is for. So right here we have refined glitter, got it at Target. We have some watermelon scent that I got from Hobby Lobby, 2 green markers, clear slime, gloves, and wax polymer beads. So these wax beads, basically wax polymer, are used for the fishbowl, for the beads in the fishbowl slime. These gloves are for when I add the scent, because it can be very sensitive to some skins and I just don't want to take any risk. So I'm putting these on while I'm mixing it. I already made some clear slime just ahead of time, so it wouldn't take a long time to get the bowls out. It did take a little while, but you know, I'm starting to post every Sunday. I'm trying to post every Sunday, so I just wanted to just make it ahead of time. It's not that clear, not too clear yet. And I have some markers, so well, I have green markers is because what I'm doing is for the peppermint slime. It's actually going to be, so this one's going to be green and it's going to look like it's supposed to be peppermint scented, but I'm going to put this watermelon scent. And for the other one, I'm going to make it like a red one, and then I'm going to scent it watermelon. And I'm going to scent it peppermint. So yeah, that's why I have these green colors. But yeah, let's just get straight on to the video. You might not get to see like a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna try because it's kind of hard to put like my camera there. But I think I'm gonna put it on the lamp right now. But I'm just gonna show you a close up of how the slime looks right now. You see, it's not clear yet, but you can still kind of see it. It's still a little bit clear. I haven't taken it out yet, so. I made this slime last Sunday, and it's still not too clear, but it's still pretty clear. It's really thick and nice. Okay, sorry I keep moving the camera. I'm just saying what angle works best. So I got it here. I think it looks good. Okay, so first, we're gonna start off by coloring the slime. So here's the clear slime. Okay. I don't want to get dirty right here, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. Okay. So first I'm gonna try this one. I got this one just in case this one wasn't strong enough. It didn't show up, which I'm sure I'm gonna need the other one. Like, you can barely see it. Here, let me get a piece of it. You see? Like, you see that tiny green piece? Yeah, I'm gonna have to use this darker one. Alright, yeah, this one you can show up way better. Here, let me. Teal. It's one of my favorite colors. Look at this. Whoa, it's so pretty. I really hope this turns out really good. I think this is a good green. Now I'm here with the beads. I'm really excited for this part. Let me get some scissors real fast though. Some green scissors, just to match the slime. And then I'm just, well, first I'm gonna try to open it from here. And then I'm gonna cut it. Look at the beads. There's like big ones, tiny ones, medium ones. I'm gonna have to cut the corner. These scissors, I don't think they cut too good. Finally. I just like ripped it. Okay. Okay, ready? I think that's enough for now. Whoa. Look at this. I never made this type of fishbowl slime. I mostly use like these other type of beads. Look at this. Oh, looks so nice. Put these to the side. Oh, there's a lot on it. I think this is enough. What do you think, guys? So pretty. I have another idea to make it even more prettier. Glitter! I'm just gonna add like a little tap on it. It's really pretty glitter. I think that's good for so far. I think I'm gonna add a little more because you can't really see them. This is like probably one of my favorite slimes ever. What I'm really questioning is like if it gets like out in the hot and you know the wax, because it's made out of wax, like candles, if they might melt in the slime. I really hope that doesn't happen ever. Look, it's so nice. Should I add a little bit more? I think I'm gonna just a tiny bit more. There you go. Okay, time for the last part. I'm going to add some scent to this. I guess kind of green and watermelon scent match, but oh well. Okay, these are kind of used like medical gloves, but I got them from my like aid kit that I have. They made a weird. They make a weird sound when you squish your hands together. Alright, again here, let's closer look at it. And another reason why I put it, because it says, oh, okay, it said in the box like sensitive to hands, don't touch. So just I just want to be safe. Okay, so it takes a while for it to come out. Can't really see it. Oh, it came out a little bit. It smells really good. I wish you could smell it. These gloves are really big, as you can tell. So this is the final result of the slime. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you want a shout out, you have to be subscribed to me and notified. Then comment #notification squad. Until next time, bye.